Welcome to Simple Training. In this video, I show you how to customize your Visual Studio. And I will teach you some tricks that will make your coding look professional. To change the color of the theme in Visual Studio, you must go to this section and select an option. Follow these steps to enable or disable warning of compilation errors in Visual Studio. If this message is active, this message will be displayed every time the program has an error during compilation. Most of the people who work with Visual Studio prefer to disable this message. If you choose Do Not Launch, this message will be disabled, and if you ignore the prompt to launch, it will be enabled. Follow these steps to enable methods references in Visual Studio. This will help you understand if this function is called somewhere or not. Activate the Show References checkbox. One of the things you can do to tidy up your coding environment is to get rid of extra line space in Visual Studio. Follow these steps. Uncheck this option. To move multiple lines at the same time, hold the Alt key and move it with up and down clicks. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.